Hey, are you seriously still on your phone? Why not get off your ass and do something? I mean, come on, let's shake things up a bit. I'm here to tell you about something fantastic, something that's going to blow your mind. It's not just any old trip or boring museum visit. No, we're talking about the East Broad Top Railroad in Orbisonia, Pennsylvania. This place, folks, it's a blast from the past, an adventure waiting for you every weekend. And believe me, it's anything but ordinary. First off, picture this. You stepping onto a real live steam train. These aren't those little toy trains you see at the mall. These are the big, powerful machines that built America. The East Broad Top Railroad. It's one of the best kept secrets in history. It's like stepping right into a time machine, back to 1871, when this railroad was the lifeline of Pennsylvania. It's all there, preserved just like it was. The trains, the tracks, the whole 9 yards. Now, why bother visiting? Here's the kicker. It's living history, people. You're not just going to see some dusty old relics behind glass. No, you're going to live it. Ride the rails, hear the whistle blow, feel the steam as it powers these magnificent machines. It's an experience that connects you with the past in a way that nothing else can. This isn't reading from a textbook, it's learning crap with the Donald, and it's about getting your hands dirty, feeling the heat of the boiler, and smelling the coal smoke. So, why stay glued to your screen when you can be part of something monumental? The East Broad Top Railroad is open every weekend, waiting for you to explore, learn, and have the time of your life. It's not just a trip, it's an adventure into the heart of American history. And there you have it, folks, an adventure into the heart of American history, steam-powered and full of life at the East Broad Top Railroad. It's not just a journey, it's an experience, a chance to touch, see, and feel a piece of the greatness that built this country. But hey, the adventure doesn't have to stop here. The Donald loves discovering small-town treasures all across America, those hidden gems that make this country truly remarkable. So here's the big question. Where should Air Force One fly the Donald next? There's a whole nation out there filled with untold stories, unsung heroes, and unbelievable sights, from the rolling hills of the East to the shining seas of the West, from the bustling small towns to the quiet hidden spots that only the locals know about. America is a treasure chest just waiting to be opened. Drop a comment, send a message, let us know where you think the next adventure should be. What's your town's hidden gem? Where's the next piece of American history that needs the spotlight? The Donald is ready to explore, learn, and share the incredible tales of small-town America with the world. Let's keep this journey going, folks. Tell us where to next for Air Force One. Oh.